Solve 3 times the square root of x plus 5 minus 4 equals 8. Our first step is to isolate the radical expression on one side of the equal sign by putting all remaining terms on the other side. So our first step is to move the negative 4 from the left-hand side to the right-hand side by taking its opposite. So we're going to add 4 to both sides of the equal sign. That gives us 3 times the square root of x plus 5 equals 8 plus 4, which is 12. Our next step is to divide both sides of the equal sign by 3. This will isolate our radical. So that gives us the square root of x plus 5 equals 12 divided by 3, which is 4. Step 2, if the radical is a square root, then we're going to square both sides. So now, since we're dealing with the square root of x plus 5, we square both sides. So that gives us the square root of x plus 5 squared equaling 4 squared. So the square root of x plus 5 squared is simply x plus 5. And 4 squared are 16. So we're solving for x, so we'll need to subtract 5 from both sides of the equal sign. And this gives us x equals 11. So remember, we need to check our answer. So we're going to plug 11 in for x in our original equation. So our original equation was 3 times the square root of x plus 5 minus 4 equals 8. So now I substitute 11 in for x. So that gives us 3 times 11 plus 5 minus 4 equals 8. 11 plus 5 is 16, so this gives us 3 times the square root of 16 minus 4 equals 8. The square root of 16 is 4, so that gives us 3 times 4 minus 4 equals 8. 3 times 4 is 12, minus 4 equals 8, and 12 minus 4 is 8, so 8 equals 8. So our answer checks. So our final answer, x equals 11.